Welcome back. If you haven't seen me before, I'm Mason here at Legacy, and today I'm going to be going over what my next project is going to be. When me and my wife first moved in together, we needed a bed frame. We had gotten everything else donated from friends and family, so we bought this cheap $200 frame. About 6 months later, sat down on the bed and went, So, today we're going to be building a frame. We're going to be borrowing a few concepts from our previous bed design, the platform bed. Turn it into a canopy bed, actually. It's going to be very interesting. So I'm going to jump over to the computer and I'll show you what I've got so far. So as a summary, we've got castle joints for the front two legs that hold this board, the footboard, and then these two side rails on both sides. So those lock together. There's hardware here that connects this panel to the back, to this back post. And then this back post has hardware that connects it to the actual headboard, this support rail, and the other post. The inner frame is basically screwed onto those outer boards and then dropped into place. Moving up, we've got the front posts, which lock into the upper bits of the castle joint, the extended portion, all the way up here into another castle joint that then holds the supports for the canopy. Now, I have this designed as basically just a flat post, and it honestly doesn't look too bad. But it does feel a little out of place with the ornate headboard in the back. So I went ahead and I designed this. So this is the leg, and then the upper rail is going to look like this. And I actually have the phases of the moon going all the way up because my wife really loves astronomy and the stars. The purpose, if I had to define a purpose to this build, it is to be as easy to assemble and take apart as possible. So look out for the leg video. And that'll be the start of the bed project, and so I will see you all later.